Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I apologize for not uploading any videos for such a long time. I am sorry because I was held up with a couple of things. Also, I was trying few products to recommend it to you guys. And like the title reads, today in this video we will be discussing some major skincare issues such as hyperpigmentation, acne scars and dark spots. If this is the very first time you're seeing this chubby face, then hello, I'm Shahla. I make beauty content here and I would love if you take a moment to subscribe to my channel and join the family. Also click the bell icon next to it to be notified with my new videos. Starting off with hyperpigmentation, one very well-known ingredient to fight hyperpigmentation is vitamin C. So my first recommendation for today is this 20% vitamin C serum from Dermaco. It is one beautiful serum. It is a water-based serum. It has some powerful ingredients such as ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid, which helps in fading away dark spots, blemishes, and mainly hyperpigmentation. We brown skin girls usually have hyperpigmentation around our mouth, which I also do. I've been using this since a month now and I'm seeing visible result, guys. It is helping me fade away my hyperpigmentation. You can use this in the morning, also in the evening. You can include this in your skincare routine. How I like to use this is after cleansing my face, I take 2 to 3 drops of it, pat it on my face and top it off with a moisturizer and then a sunscreen. Then when I'm using it in the night time, I use this after cleansing my face and I just use moisturizer and then go to bed. So if you're using this in the morning and walking out in the sun, please remember, guys, do not forget to top this serum with a thick layer of sunscreen, because vitamin C is very sensitive to skin. It's very sensitive to sun and it can damage your skin further. So do not forget to use a sunscreen after using the vitamin C. So that is the 20% vitamin C serum from Dermaco for you guys. My next recommendation for today is for people with oily skin. If you have blemishes and dark spots, you should use this. This is from The Body Shop. This is the Tea Tree Range Serum. I'm unsure if the camera is focusing it. Anyway, guys, I will leave in the link for all the products in the description below so that you can go through it. So this is also a water-based serum and this works wonderful on oily skin. If you have blemishes and dark spots, this is going to be your holy grail, guys. Trust me on this. I am a person with dry skin. I used it for a week. I didn't see any visible results. Of course, for 1 week you wouldn't see any results, but what happened to me is it dried out my skin further. So I wouldn't recommend this to people with dry skin. But if you don't have too dry skin, maybe you have a skin type from combination to dry, you can use this and top it off with double layer of moisturizer. Probably that will work for you. I'm unsure of this, guys, but I wouldn't recommend this for people with extremely dry skin. But for people with oily skin, this will work wonderful. So right now my sister is using this from almost more than a month. She's been using it and she's seen very visible result. We've seen her blemishes go from 100% to 50% in just a month. So this is one beautiful product for oily skin people if you have blemishes and dark spots. So that is the Tea Tree Range Serum from Body Shop for you guys. My next recommendation is this product from Plum. It's the Green Tea Clear Spot Light Gel. Now this is a product best suitable for people with acne prone skin. If you have active acne or acne marks, you can get rid of them using this product. Now what I like about Plum is that they are cruelty free, which impresses me to use Plum, and that is one best thing about Plum. It's a very good product. They don't have any nonsense ingredients like sulfates and parabens. It's very safe on your skin, but this is best suitable for people with oily skin and combination skin. But if you have a dry skin, you can still use this, but just top it off with a double layer of moisturizer. When you're using this, there will be a slight tingling effect, which is common. You don't have to worry about this. But before testing any of these products which I'm recommending, I request you to please do a patch test on your hand. Only if it is safe, then go ahead and using it on your face. Directly do not use any product on your face, guys. The next product we're talking about is one of my current favorite, which is the 24K Kumkumadi Thailam from Tribes Concept. This is one beautiful product, guys. This is a holy grail of mine. I am in love with this product. This is an all-rounder. May you have blemishes, active acne, acne spots, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, anything. It will address all your skin issues. Now how you can use this is you can use it as a mask. You can massage it for 2 to 3 minutes, leave it there for 15 minutes and then wash it off. How I like to use this is I like to use it in my skincare routines morning and night, because dry skin people like to use oil based products more because that makes their skin look more moisturized and glowy. That's the reason I like to include this in my skincare routine. After cleansing my face, I apply this oil and then massage it for 30 seconds and then move on to the further steps. In the night times, whenever I'm very lazy to do any skincare routines, I just remove my makeup, cleanse my face, and then I apply this oil, massage it for 30 seconds, and then go to bed. In the morning, when you wake up, you can see a wonderful state of your skin. It leaves your skin very soft and supple and glowy because this has a golden tint in it. Try this and you will never regret, guys. So that is the 24K Kumkumadi Thailam from Tribes Concept for you guys. The next product I have is the Gulab and Glycolic Toner from Dr. Sheth's. Now this is one wonderful acid-based toner. Now how you can use this is you can use this in your night skincare routine because it's an acid-based product. Do not use it in the morning. Now what this will do is wherever you have tiny bumps on your skin or you have newly arrived dark spots, it targets that. Now I had tiny bumps on my forehead and on my cheeks, which is no more there. I've been using this product from I think it's 2 months now, almost 2 months. So this has helped me to reduce my newly arrived spots and tiny bumps on my skin. It leaves your skin very soft and it blurs your skin basically. So that's how it works. And if you have any of these issues with your skin, you can use the Gulab and Glycolic Toner from Dr. Sheth's. So the last product we have for today is also from Dr. Sheth's. It's the Extra Gentle Daily Peel. Now this is also an acid based product, so I recommend you to use this in the night time, not in the mornings. So what this does is this targets almost all your skincare problems like blemishes, active acne marks and dark spots. So you wouldn't require to use this on a daily basis. Maybe you can use it as a mask about once or twice in a week. That should be enough. It leaves your skin glowy and you get that soft and supple skin after using this peel. Now one fear we have while using peels is that it can dry out your skin. Now you don't have to have that fear while you're using this one because it has lactic acid in it, which moisturizes your skin and leaves your skin hydrated. So that is the Extra Gentle Daily Peel from Dr. Sheth's for you guys. That is all for today, guys. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any queries, please leave it in the comment section below. I will make sure I answer them all. And if you have any recommendation for my next video, please let me know. I will make sure I consider them. I will see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.